Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily download Crossword Jam application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Crossword Jam and search. Once you end up in the search result, look for the Crossword Jam fun word search application from Play Simple Games. After you get to this page, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Crossword Jam is a fun and relaxing word game in a crossword style format made for the smartest brains. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device, which will only take a few minutes. But make sure that your internet is connected and it is working to its fullest. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the game, and you can now start playing the famous Crossword Jam right on your iPhone. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.